Take a hike through the picturesque Rose Valley, where visitors can explore hidden caves and enjoy the stunning scenery. And of course, no visit to Goromare is complete without a taste of the region's famous cuisine, including hearty stews, grilled meats, and sweet pastries. With its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural history, Goromare is a must-see destination for any traveler exploring the wonders of Cappadocia. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Goromare has something for everyone.